to pee.
Oh no, not again, Tom. Wait, Tom, don't go there. People are watching. I'm so thirsty. This water is good. Slow down. You'll have another accident. Uh-oh. My tummy feels weird. That's because you drank it too fast. Mom, I really need to go pee. Hold it in, sweetheart. I'm looking. My potty! Wait, Tom, stop. That's not what you think it is. Stop. That's a pool float, not a toilet. But it's blue like mine. Mom, a toilet. I found one. No, Tom. Those are the park's flowers. And the real bathroom is right there. Hurry! I'm trying. My legs are crossing. Just go, quick. That feels so much better. Phew, we made it just in time. I feel so good now, Mom. I'm glad, but no more giant water bottles today. You did a good job waiting, sweetheart. I'm a big boy now, right? Mom, look, they're playing basketball. They are. Do you want to watch for a bit? Hey guys, can I play? I got it. Be careful, Tom. Those big kids are fast. Yes! I made it! Wow, what a great shot, Tom. I'm so thirsty again. Only a little bit this time, okay? Don't overdo it. Oh no, not again! Oh, Tom, please don't tell me you need to go again. Mom, I really need to pee right now. It's urgent. We just left the restroom. How is this possible? Where is it? I can't see any bathroom. Anywhere. Stay still, Tom. You're making yourself more dizzy. Tom, slow down. Not in the bushes. That's not allowed. Oh, I can't wait anymore, Mom. It's coming. Maybe I can do that too. Like the doggy. Tom, no. Put your leg down right now. You are a boy. You are not a dog. We use toilets, remember? But he's doing it. Why can't I? We are going home right now. This is an emergency. Hurry, Mom. The car is so far away. Finally, here I come. Oh, whoa! Sit still. I need to buckle you in fast. We have no time. Stop bouncing. You'll hurt yourself. Go faster, Mom. The house is still 1,000,000 miles away. It's coming out. That was close. Use your key. Get the door open. Open. Hurry, Mom. My legs can't hold it. I made it, Mom. Thank goodness. I was holding my breath for you. Good job, Tom. You're a pro now. I'm the king of the potty. No more accidents. Good job, Tom. You're a pro now. I'm the king of the potty. No more accidents. I'm tired now. My legs are sleepy. It's been a very long day for your bladder, little man. How's your tummy now? I'm so hungry, Mom. My tummy is yelling at me. Oh, no. My burger! Oh! Wait, Tom. Don't touch it. It's dirty now. Leave it. 5-second rule. It's still good. Germs can't catch me. Tom! No! Stop! That's yucky and full of floor germs. Put it down. Mom, my tummy feels funny. It's doing a dance. I told you. Floor food is for the trash, not for your belly. I don't think that burger was a good idea, was it? I think the burger is very, very, very angry inside me. Help! Oh my goodness, Tom, what is that smell? It's terrible! It wasn't me, Mom, I promise. It was the angry floor burger. I really need to poop. Right now! Oh no, the emergency level just went to maximum. Run, Tom! I can't hold it much longer. Keep running. Don't stop on the carpet. I have my little potty. I need to do it right here. Absolutely not. Not on the rug, Tom. Go to the real bathroom. Hang on, Tom. Almost there. It's coming out. Help me, Mom. Just a little further, sweetheart. Hurry, Mom, hurry. It smells too bad. I can't go in. You HAV to go in. Be a brave soldier. Just a little magic spray, better? Wow, now it smells like roses and stinky, rotten floor burger. Don't fail me now, Tummy. Whew, much better. Take your time, sweetheart. I'm right here by the door. Thanks, Mom. I feel so much better now, Mom. Today was crazy. I'm glad. It was a giant adventure for a little boy like you. No more emergencies? Good night, Tom. Good night, Mom. I promise no more eating burgers from the floor.